My people, welcome back again to our channel where we bring you real stories, real leaders, and real moments that move the heart. Honestly, today's video is so dear to my heart. Seeing this video just make me love this man the more. Now, this one touched me deeply. It's not just news, it's a reminder of the kind of leadership we all deserve in this country called Nigeria. So just recently, during a road inspection, Tower-Onuimo Road in Umuahia, Governor Otti of Abia State did something that wasn't in the press release or any official statement, but the video went viral and it's melting hearts across Nigeria. As the governor moved around, inspecting the ongoing projects, he spotted a few children hawking by the roadside. Instead of just waving and moving on like most politicians would, he stopped, walked up to them and asked a few questions. Asked a simple but very powerful question. Questions like, are you people paying school fees in Abia State? Are you in school? What are you doing here? And the kids, with shy but honest faces replied, "No, sir, we are not paying school fees." Wow. Let's pause there for a moment. This is what leadership looks like, right? It's not just roads and bridges, but caring for the soul of the state, which is the children. And yes, for those who may not know, Abia State is the only state in the entire Southeast currently running a functional free education scheme for students from primary school to secondary school. No school fees. That's not a promise, but that's the reality on ground. And Governor Otti is not just talking the talk, he's backing it up with real action. Building schools, improving quality, and most importantly, making sure no child is left behind because of money. Oh yes. Honestly, seeing this video made me so emotional. In a country where so many children are out of school and parents are struggling with fees, a leader who says, "Come and learn for free." Oh yes. And then checks it on the kids himself. That's very special. Abia State, now they try, wallahi. Southeast governors, with a look, free education is not a luxury, it's a right. And if one state can do it, others can do it too. What do you all think, my people? Should other Southeastern states adopt this free education model? Could it work in Ebonyi State, Enugu, Anambra, and Imo? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to always like my videos, please. And subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah? Are you from Abia? Are you in school? Okay. His Excellency. Are you in school? What class? Yes. What are you doing here? They are supporting your mom. Okay. It's well with you, okay? How are you? Are you all students? Yes, sir. You are in school, right? Yes. Are you paying school fees? Yes. No, sir. You don't pay school fees? It's free education, right? Yes. Okay, that's good. Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Power! Namuku, you are the best!